Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKee again with SEC 210. Today I'm going through a bunch of Windows really short labs. This one's going to be 3.3.12, which is Windows Task Manager. Alright, this is a good, all these labs are a good review of Windows, even though we're going to be using probably Linux pretty soon. Alright, so in this lab you explore Task Manager and manage processes from within Task Manager, working in the process tabs, working in the services tabs, working in the performance tab. Alright, the Task Manager is a system monitor program that provides information about processes and programs running on the computer. It also allows the termination of processes and programs and modification of process priority. You need a Windows PC with internet access, and I've got my NetLabs running my Windows 10 machine, and I do have internet access, so that's good. Alright, working in the Processes tab. Open the command prompt in a web browser. Go down here. Alright, that, and open Edge, I guess. Alright, right-click the taskbar, and then click Task Manager. Another way to open the taskbar is Control-Alt-Delete to access the Windows security screen and select Task Manager. And I think you might be able to right-click the Start button. Yep, right there too. Right, click More Details to see all the processes that are listed in the Processes tab. Let's see. Alright, I already had more details clicked, so it didn't really make a lot of sense, but there you go. Alright, expand the Windows Command Processor heading. Windows Command Processor heading. Alright, so Windows Command Processor, expand that to show the console window host and Windows Command Processor. What is listed under the heading? You guys can see that. Alright. There are three categories of processes listed in the Process tab. Apps, background processes, and Windows processes. And if I minimize a lot of the stuff, you have to scroll way down, but there's Windows processes. You show that, and there's 80 of them. 80 Windows, 43 background processes, and 3 apps running. Alright, the apps are the applications that you have opened, such as Microsoft Edge, Task Manager, and Windows Command Processor, as shown in the figure above. Other applications that are opened by users, such as web browsers and email clients, are also listed here. The background processes are executed in the background by applications that are currently open. The Windows processes are not shown in the figure. Scroll down to view them on your Windows PC. I just showed those. Windows processes are Microsoft Windows services that run in the background. Alright, some of the background processes or Windows processes may be associated with foreground processes. For example, if you open a command prompt window, the console window host process will be started in the Windows process section, as shown below. Alright, so see it right there, console. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Alright, so maybe you guys can see that a little bit better. Alright, right-click the console window host. Alright, right-click that, select Properties. What is the location of the file name and location of the process? What is the location of this file name? Alright, location is right there. Alright, so that question is like, I guess what is the file name? Conhost.exe is the file name. The location of the process is right here. Alright, Windows System 32 in the C drive. All right, close the command prompt window right there. Right, notice how that goes away. What happens to Windows command processor and console window host when the command prompt window is closed? All right, you can tell me that, which it just happened. Click the memory heading. All right, so the memory right here. Click the heading a second time. What effect does this have on the columns? You can just watch. All right, right click on the memory heading and then select resource values, memory, and percents. All right, now that shows you the percentage of memory. All right, and that shows you how to do it. What effect does this have on the memory column? It changed it from the actual numerical value of memory used to the percentage of memory used. How could this be useful? Well, that'll tell you if you're obviously add all these up and they come out to close to 100, you know you're running out of memory. Well, you're probably running out of memory even close to that, but that might help you out more. In the task manager, click the name heading. All right, double click Microsoft Edge. All right, what happens? Double click it. You can see what's happening there. All right, right click the task manager. Return to the task manager and right click Microsoft Edge. Click End Task. All right. What happens to the web browser windows? You should notice that. All right. Working with the Services tab. All right. Click the Services tab. All right. Use the scroll bar to the right of the Services window to view all the services listed. So there's a whole bunch in their alphabetical order currently. What statuses are listed? You can see that. I got a bunch of stopped, running. Let's see. There's all running, stopped. So running and stopped looks like the only things that are on there. All right, working with the Performance tab. I know I'm going fast through this, but that's fine. In the Task Manager window, click the Performance tab, which I already did. How many threads are running? Threads are right there. All right. How many processes are running? There's processes. In the memory, in the left panel, click that memory. And don't worry, this is actually a virtual machine and I only have it allocated 4 gigabytes of memory, so that's fine. All right, what's the total physical memory? Total physical memory in megabytes. There's the available physical memory, available right there. In use. How much physical memory is being used by the computer? All right, so 4 gigabytes total memory, in use 1.8, and available 2.2 gigabytes. I know it says megabytes, but you can put it in gigabytes. And click on the Ethernet. Let's see. I guess we'll click on the Ethernet that's working. Okay, none of them are working or sending a lot of anything. All right. What is the link speed? right, I'm putting some traffic up here on the Ethernet link just to see how fast it goes. Let's see. Let's do a speed test. I know it's hard to see when it's like that, but if we can ever get to it, it's going to be fast, but there we go. That's pretty fast. Yep. And there's the upload. So we're smoking fast. Is it going to hit 900? Yep. So we're maxed out there on the speed. But look right here. It only stayed for a second, but I guess for the link speed, you guys could put down when whatever it was saying. It only stayed for a second. Link speed, I guess it's a 1 gigabit link, but it really doesn't show that right now, but that's what it is. 1 gigabits per second. Alright, what is the IP address of the PC? Right there, 192.168.254.24. And that is it. Yep. Oh, sorry. I have one more page. Alright. Let's see. See if I can get to Resource Monitor. Alright. Bottom of the page is Resource Monitor. Alright. So why is it important for administrator to understand how to work within the task manager? You guys can answer that. You see a whole bunch of good stuff in here. And also you can see what's running, what maybe should be running, it's not running, or processes that are on your PC or server that maybe some kind of malware, things like that. And also if you're getting good throughput and how fast all your CPU and your storage and all that is going. And that is about it. All right. Well, thanks for watching.